Greetings, everybody. I am Crystal Real Nesta, and you're here on the Thomas channel where we do unboxings, setups, reviews, and how-tos. Today, I am doing an unboxing of my new hobby. Hopefully, this is my first one. It is a diamond painting. So I know it looks childlike, but that's why it's called a hobby, right? So it says improve children's attention, develop children's imagination, and it says cultivate children's perception of color. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing of this right here. Basically, we're trying to make a little painting. So let's open it up and see what's in here. They got some light instructions on the back. So in this one, we have, I guess you would call it the stencil. I don't want to show y'all what it is just yet. You have a picture frame. You have this little tool here. Let's open it up. This looks like a tray. Okay, and this is some kind of tool. And this is some kind of little pink square. Now, to be honest, I have no idea what this stuff is. Okay, and here is the diamonds themselves. It says it's supposed to have tweezers. So here is the list of things that's supposed to be in here, which are tweezers or stylus. So they're calling this a stylus. A container for the diamonds, which are rhinestones, which is this. Acrylic rhinestones, which is this. Canvas with a picture scheme and job instructions. So, to be honest with you guys, I do not see instructions. Again, this is the picture frame. It looked like a nice one. I guess unless they're including this, well, I guess I'll show y'all what I'm gonna do. So you need to use the stencil to lay these like a number painting. So this is my first one. I am super stoked about it. We might do a short of after I finish, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it in one setting or it's gonna take me a couple of days. Maybe I'll add that to the short when we put that up. But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I am super stoked about the diamond painting. Hopefully this will be, I like it, and it'll be my new hobby for the new year. I don't know if you ever tried this before as adult, or if you're getting this for your kids. It's recommended for kids, but it doesn't have an age group on it, because I'm sure that's what parents will want to know. Yeah, it doesn't, I don't see an age group on this. I would assume probably 7+, you know, someone who could sit down and stay focused, and you would trust not to get these little rhinestones. I don't know if you guys can see that all over the place. But needless to say, again, thank you for watching my video. Comment, like, subscribe, share it out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.